fam, so I told you guys that I'm back, and as you guys can see, I'm currently in my daughter's room. As you guys can see, the walls and everything are pink, you guys, so we're gonna totally transform the room today. Yes, I am jumping straight into the video. I'm not playing no games with you guys today. I basically already have my setup and everything ready to go, you guys. It's just gonna be me today. I'm gonna be a lone soldier, you guys, a lone soldier, but I'm not gonna be alone. You know why? Because y'all are gonna be coming along with me, so go ahead and just cheer me on, you guys. We got this. What I'm doing today is we're gonna paint Ari's room. I'm gonna paint it a lavender purple, you guys, because as I told you guys, Ari was like, I don't want pink, I like purple. But as you know when you have a girl, you automatically go to pink. But when your child gets old enough, they're able to tell you the colors that they actually like. And her color is purple. So that is what we're doing today in her room, you guys. Pretty excited. We're gonna go ahead and get started into this video. I don't really have too much to say. Let me let you guys know the color that I have. I got it from, of course, Behr. And let me let you guys know the color. Hold on. Alright, you guys, so I had to go check because I forgot, because I actually had a couple of samples. The color that I got was called Lavender Memory, you guys, so that is the color that we're going with today. Pretty excited. I won't be able to talk for too long, you guys, because the kids are going to be home shortly and it's only me here, so I need to hurry up and it's crunch time, it's punch time, it's time to go ahead and get started, you guys. But I hope that you guys all enjoy. I'm going to speed this video on up. I hope that you guys like, comment, subscribe, ding that notification bell, all that good stuff, you guys. I might do a talk through, but yeah, like I said, you guys, I'm really crunched for time and it's only me. I'm a lone ranger, y'all, so bear with me, but we're going to get through this together. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Bye, y'all.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
Oh, and by the way, you guys, I'm not moving everything out the room because like I told y'all, it's only me. So if you guys see the bed and stuff on top of the bed, you guys, those are school clothes I had to put away. I'm going to get rid of all that stuff later. I'm going to put everything back up. But like I said, I'm just using the bed to store everything right now. And I'm just going to basically be working around the bed. I have the dressers moved back, you guys, so no. Your girl, I ain't got that much muscle to be moving everything out the room and carrying it back in here. It's only me, so if you guys see that and the bed looks junky or anything like that, you guys, that's because I moved everything that was on the dresser and I put it on the bed just to have a free space to do my thing. You know what I'm saying? Just want to let y'all know that. So yeah, let's get started now.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow? And so
JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go and run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Okay, you guys, so what we decided to go with today are stripes on the wall, and it's a little bit tedious, you guys. I finally got my husband to, you know, do it for me because he honestly did not want to, because I've been working that ass. Boy, I've been working that ass for the past how many weekends? How many weekends?
Put yours.
The past, I would have to say, we've been doing projects for the last month, you guys. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So sit back, let's get back started into this, you guys, while I got him up here before he go back downstairs. So let's get started. Bye, y'all. Okay. Say hi to the people. right. You guys, he don't like doing it, but then whenever it finishes, I swear, it's like artwork. And I'd be like, aren't you happy you did it?
I'm just tired. Just got back in town.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Alright, you guys, so this is what the wall looks like right now. This project took me all day today, but not all day because it's not nighttime yet, you guys. I started on this at, I believe at, when did I start on this, you guys? I believe I started on this at 10:30, and it's now, let's see. I started on this at 10:30, and it's now 6 o'clock, so it's not bad. That's with the whole room being trimmed out and stuff like that, you guys, but pretty good time. It's before it's dark, so if I stop talking to you guys, I'll be able to finish and be done before 7:30 because it shouldn't take me that long to bust out these stripes. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Try to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yeah, you guys, but like I was saying, I'm sorry. I went into like a deep thought and I totally just forgot what I was gonna say. If I could just hit this, like I said, with just 2 coats and be done, that would be awesome. So pray for me, you guys, that, you know, this paint goes a long way and I could just be a 2-hitter quitter.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Alright, you guys, so I think I'm about done, which I'm so happy, y'all. That little bit of paint went a long way. I think I'm going to hit the tops. You guys can't really see it right here, but I'm going to hit the tops one more time. But I think as far as the rolling out part, I think that we are done. From what I can see, I don't see any imperfections right now, you guys. The most satisfying part is going to be tearing off the tape and seeing the nice crisp lines. So that's going to be the satisfying part. But yeah, from what I can see, the only thing that we have to do, you guys, would probably just be the tops. All right, you guys, first line is pulled. Nice and crisp. Look at that, y'all. Here go the next one. Go ahead, boo.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yeah. You guys, it looks so good. I'm so excited, you guys. Good job. Thank you, babe, for helping me. I do appreciate it, y'all, because I ain't gonna lie, I've been putting him to work, and I know he's tired of me putting him with all these projects, but it looks so good. So good.
My room?
Yes.
It's like slimy.
All right, you guys, so here you have it. This is the princess's room so far. I know it looks empty, you guys. I know, but I have nightstands. I do have nightstands. I'm going to show you guys them here in a second. It's just that my daughter did some damage to the nightstands. So, unfortunately, you guys, I'm going to have to redo those, and I'm not looking forward to that at all, you guys. I'm really not, but it has to be done. But yeah, this is what it looks like, you guys. So beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Like I told y'all, I'm coming with the vlog. So be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, you guys, and also ding that notification bell. Because first of all, y'all, I work full time, okay? So I have to get this done like literally in one day. Not even a full day, you guys. So smash the thumbs up for that first off, okay? Dedication, you guys. I'm trying, like I said, you guys, I am not a vlogger full time, so unfortunately, you guys, that's why I can't come back to back with the vlogs like I want to, but I'm trying to stay as consistent as possible. But I hope that you guys all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification button. Until next time, you guys, for the next vlog. Hopefully it might be me putting the whole room together with the nightstand and stuff like that. But so far, everything looks so beautiful, and I'm so excited, you guys. Comment down below. Tell me if you guys like this wall. She's obsessed with unicorns, you guys, so that's why she has unicorns. I have to get more pillows and stuff like that, but that can all come later, you guys. I'm not balling like that, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, you gotta do little by little, and it will get there, you guys. But I'm definitely loving the purple way better than the pink, you guys. I love the purple. Purple's her favorite color, so I'm not gonna lie, my daughter chose a really beautiful color. So yep, that is gonna be it, you guys. So I know you guys are probably tired of staring at this wall, but I'm looking at the camera, it looks so good. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it. Signing out. Until next time, you guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Ding that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, you guys, and I hope you guys all enjoy it. Bye, y'all.